Cheers, everyone. It's Saturday night in Melbourne. Glad that you can join me. Now, I'm super excited to share something with you today. For those of you that know me, I love digital technology, and most women go out there and they look for lipsticks and they look for the nail polishes and the handbags and the shoes, and I'm completely the opposite. I do those things, don't get me wrong, I do it, but more than likely you will find me out and about in all the technology shops. I've always loved technology. But today I wanted to share with you that those who have been following me, I've been on a health and wellness journey because I need to do something about this weight of mine. I've been carrying it around for too long, and I joined a Habit Buster program, and I can give you the details of the person that's actually coordinating this amazing program, and I have seen some major differences with myself. So much so that I wanted to share with you that I joined Curves on Demand. And here's my bag for proof, for those that don't believe me. Curves on Demand is online classes, and it costed me $39.95 a month. You can pay per month, and they gave me this amazing bag, and it's got this, I don't know, what is it? For those of you out there that knows what it is, please comment below, but I'm going to find out what to do with this. I'm sure it is to do with exercises. How you use it, I'm not very sure yet. So you can comment below. It's quite big, good quality, very strong. And I also got a towel, so a little towel, and I'm sure they're expecting me to sweat it out a bit, so live stronger together. The purpose of this today is to show some of you just how simple it is to register yourself, get the details to log in, how to create your passwords. I'm going to be showing you that, so if you are really keen and you want to join and you're a bit unsure about, your digital skills, well, you can stay here, and I'm going to show you how you're going to log in that. Hi, I'm back again. And I'm glad for those of you that have stayed on and want to learn how to actually become a My Curves, I think Curves on Demand member. So I'm going to put these lovely things away. For those that know what this is called, please do let me know. Comment below what it is and whether you've actually used one before and has it been beneficial. So without further ado, let's dive into this. Let's dive into it. Now, what you need to do is just on your mobile phone or on your desktop, just navigate to Curves. I'm just going to bring that up now. Curves Fitness on Demand. Here we go. So it's curves.com.au, My Curves on Demand. Now, what motivated me to join Curves is that they are global and they are geared towards helping women, and women over a certain age. I'm not too sure, but let's have a look and see. About them. Okay, they have 30-minute workouts, education. It's a 30-minute total body workout online, so you can work out when you want, and your own workout program that can be done at home while traveling, or just whenever and wherever it suits you. So call or message your local Curves coach for more information, and they're ready to connect with you. Okay. So you need to find a club. So when you go into the thing, you just find a club, and put in your postcode. So I'll just put in 3168, search, and you've got quite a few here that come up on the left. So you need to put your postcode in and have a look and see which is the nearest one to you. Then just give them a call and tell them that you would like to join. And how it works is that that particular branch will take all your details and that for you to get started. I did mention before it's about $39 a head, so per month. So we just have a look here. You get unlimited access, fitness program developed by Curves experts, strength training, higher to lower intensity, and it's led by Curves coaches, and they're real women just like you. So I think that's what really motivated me to actually join. And your first month includes a high quality resistance band. So that's what it is, ladies and gentlemen. That purple thing that they gave me, I'll just get that for you. It's called a high quality resistant band. So it's going to be interesting to see me do that. And it's just going through the website here that fitness and strength for real
Welcome.
women.
We are so glad that you are taking the time to invest in a healthy lifestyle with Curves. For over 25 years, Curves has been a pioneer in women's fitness, helping millions of women get stronger inside and out. Our mission at Curves has been and always will be to strengthen women by providing a fun, fast, and safe workout. What you will quickly realize about the Curves program is that our focus is on real women just like you. Women who want to stay strong no matter their age so that they can live their best life. This is a 30-minute workout that combines all 5 elements that you will need to complete a workout. There are different types of classes to choose from, ranging from higher to lower intensity. The boxing classes will use traditional boxing moves to increase your strength and burn calories. The cardio classes will feature a higher intensity cardio moves to increase your heart rate. The body basics classes will feature moderate intensity moves focused either on your arms, core, or legs. And the balance classes will feature balance and yoga type moves.
Well, there you go. You can go through that in your own leisure. I'm not going to hold up everybody here, but if there's no club nearby, you can join now online. So they've got a couple of packages there, and I went for the I'm self-motivated. So it's $39.99 a month, and as I said, it includes a resistance band plus free shipping. So we've got cardio and blah, blah, blah. So once you actually connect with them, whichever local club is nearest to you, once you connect with them, it's really quick. They send you an email, and as you can see here, dear Nicole, thanks for joining, blah, 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 and you need to add a password. So there's a couple of instructions. So your login credential gives you access to your own client profile, and where you can schedule classes and appointments online, and you can buy passes and products in the online store. You can write some reviews and so much more. So how do I do all of this? Simply visit the Wellness Living login page and log in with the credentials above. So there you go, folks. That's how quick it is. Then you've also got a My Curves on-demand app. So it's available on your Apple, if you've got an iPhone, or an Android phone, whether you've got a Samsung or a Nokia or Oppo, and then it's also available on Kindle Fire. Now, what's the exciting part for me, for those of you that know that I love tech geek stuff, I can actually stream this through my Apple TV, or if you've got an Android TV, or an Amazon Fire TV, or a Roku, okay? So that's going to be really good because I've got a huge, TV, and I also have a Bose surround theatre system. So I hooked all that up by myself. Yep, I did. Not a pretty face after all, but I did hook that up, and I've got a massive 85-inch TV. So I'm looking forward to, really having a go at this on the TV with the atmosphere, the music. I even have the headphones here, these Apple AirPods, so I can also listen to it in my ears if I don't want to, wake up the neighbours. So what's the beauty is that I get an app. So I'm going to be downloading the app, and I'll show you what it's like as well. So stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Let's have a look at how this app works. And if you've got any questions on that, respond below, and I'll get the person that helped me to join to help you. Okay, so don't go too far.
Navigate now to my App Store. So I'm just going to write app in my iPhone. This is App Store. And I'm going to look for, down the bottom I hit search, Curves on Demand. Is it? There we are. My Curves on Demand. So I'm going to hit the Get button, and I'm going to install that. And it's going to be downloading. As you can see, the little status circle up the top. I'm just going to go closer to where I can get internet signal and remove my little message there. To wait till that downloads. There you go, and then open. And my Curves would like to send you notifications, and notifications may include alerts and sounds and blah blah blah. So I generally, it's a personal choice, a personal preference, but I don't like being notified bing 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 all day, so I won't do that for now. But this is what it looks like, and you just have to log in with the credentials that was set up earlier. You put that in, and I will show you once I've logged in what it looks like.
Well, I'm here back again. I hope that you enjoyed that. Really, really pumped. I'm excited to get started on this. So my second video is going to show you on the app, on the iPhone app, what it looks like. And then I'm going to show you my setup so that I can do my exercises. And I've devoted, with this program's Habit Buster, I'm starting off with little milestones. So I'm going through the process of actually creating a little goals, some goals, and they're achievable goals. So they're goals that I know I'm not going to break. So if you're interested in knowing a bit more about my Habits Buster program, number one, and number two, if you'd like some assistance with downloading your My Curves on Demand app and registering for that, and connecting to the person that got me involved in Curves on Demand, let me know. Write it down below, and I'll get back to you. So I hope you enjoyed this and you got some value from this. Give me a like, share it, and give me some love, and I'll keep adding some more videos. Bye for now.